Hey Gingerbread and Jelly Bean, so I'm coming to you from a tree pretty much. I'm in a tree right now at the park and I'm making this mini clip. So as I'm in nature right now, I just want to share a few thoughts I feel about nature and what it means to just unwind and just relax. You know, take a break from everything around you, all the stress that affecting you. You know, in life we go through stuff. Each of us have different struggles that we go through on a day-to-day basis. And it's good to unwind and relax. You know, it's good to take time off, to just get out, do something different from the norm. So that is what I'm doing right now. Just trying to clear my mind, trying to just relax and enjoy nature itself. So my advice to you guys is that try to do something out of the norm. Try to be spontaneous, you know, go out with your partner. If you're single, still go out, just enjoy the simpler things in life. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You can just go out, cost nothing to go to a park or go to the beach, you know, just to relax and unwind and just enjoy being around nature in itself. Even give your phone a break, shut off your phone and just relax. Because at the end of the day, it's important for you to have a sound mind. If you're always thinking about stuff, if you're always occupied, if you're always stressed out about things that are going on in your life, the stress and the struggles, that will prevent you from actually relaxing and you know, allow you to grow as a person. To grow, it takes a lot to have to be in a place where you're comfortable with yourself. You have to be calm. We're creatures, you know, we're animals, you know, we're a species where we depend on nature, you know, so we intertwine with nature and we enjoy that. So, you know, for me personally, I like this, you know, I like to just sit here in the tree and talk to you guys, and you know, that's fulfilling to me, you know, coming to you guys like this. So, and it takes nothing for me to do this, you know, so that is just me. So I just want to share that with you guys. Try to unwind, or try to relax and enjoy life as it is. Try to embrace nature more and just get away from the social media for a while. It's really, really important that you give yourself that positive energy and, you know, sense of relaxation. So thanks for watching JVLOGS. Thanks for watching my mini clip. I hope this is important to you. I hope this help you to look at life, you know, from a different perspective, and I hope you enjoy it. So if you did, share my mini clips, share my vlogs, leave a comment below. It's free to leave a comment. I like to interact with you guys. So thanks again for watching JVLOGS. Enjoy. Mind both frames?
I see one. You're recording.
Yeah, so I have to be between that middle part there.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Gingerbread and Jelly Bean. So
Sorry.
I'm about to climb this tree. It's not hard to climb, but go slower so they can see.
Oh.
Yeah, it won't be too fast. I'm climbing from this side though.
Hang on, let me sit down so I can get you. Hold on to that branch for
Which one? This one?
right there.
Oh, for vines?
Mhm.
I'm good. I'm just old. My knees are old.
I'll get you. Oh, don't jump.
No.
Don't jump.
I won't jump.
Hang on, I think I'm zoomed in.
You might be.
No.
Well, let me see.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, you might be zoomed in. Yeah, you are zoomed in. Was I always zoomed in?
Yeah, I had to get you.
Yeah. So, I'm up in the tree, finally. But yeah.